All right, we're doing the shocks. I went through the wheel opening that I already had open on this 2002 Silverado HT. So I loosened it. They're both 21s. I took the nut off and then just screwing it out like so. And then now we're gonna release the bolt from the underside. Okay. Oops, dropped it. All right. So we're releasing using the little impact here. 21s and zoop it out, and then the shock should just come right out and right out from the top. Okay, and then the new one goes in about the same way. Oh yeah, these. Okay. These shocks are a pretty bad look. When you push, no resistance whatsoever, and they don't come back. They come back slowly, but I mean, they're not leaking or anything, but there's hardly any resistance to them. So it's probably a good thing we're replacing it. Okay, let's get the new one in place. All right, the shocks we're using is KYB Gasasat. These were pretty nice. I'm gonna leave it like this until I get the top bolted. I'm gonna feed it up to the top here. Okay. We might have to spread it just a little bit to get it in, but that's okay. That's okay. There we go. There we go. And then we'll get the bolt in, and we'll get the nut started on the top. And we'll cinch it down later. Okay. And then what we'll do is we'll cut it, and then we'll get it to go in. All right. So, let's cut, and then we'll get this in. Okay. So, let's go. And as it comes down, we're going to get it to go in that hole. Okay. Didn't want to go in very well now, did it? Okay, so we're going to fight just a little bit. I got a little pry bar here, so let's see. There we go. And then rotate that just a little bit, and we'll get that to go in, okay? All right. Yeah, that one is much better shock. And we'll get it to line up, like so. All right. We're almost in, okay? We use the soft end of this. And there we go. Tighten up the nut. All right, and then we're gonna tighten it up to, I forget what we'll just put a little bit on it. I'm gonna put about, just a little, not a lot at all. Just to get it. All right, then we'll put a torque wrench on that. And the top is gonna be kind of hard anyways. But that's it, that's a shot. A lot better than the other one we did on the Ranger. No rust, but there you go. Thank you very much for subscribing, and have a great day. Thank you.